Shower cartridge cover stuck and not budging? Here's how to avoid wrecking your plumbing and actually get that old thing off without trashing your wallet or your weekend. Okay, so first off, before you start yanking, turn off the water supply. Seriously, just trust me on that one or you'll be mopping up for days. Grab a flathead screwdriver and gently pop off the handle cap. There's usually a little notch you can get under. Once the handle's off, you'll see a screw holding the trim. Just unscrew it and slide off the escutcheon plate. If the chrome cap is all stuck and crusty, spray some white vinegar or a calcium remover around the base, let it chill for like 15 minutes, and then try again by hand. Don't use pliers unless you want bent copper lines and a massive leak, because those soft copper pipes are super easy to twist and break. Sometimes, a hairdryer helps loosen up old mineral deposits, so give it a shot on medium heat. If nothing works, use an oscillating saw or hacksaw to carefully cut a slit in the cover, but go slow, don't slice into the pipe behind it. And if it still won't budge, or if you see any flex in those inlet pipes, seriously consider calling a pro before you end up replacing the whole valve for $500 or more. One of the biggest mistakes people make when removing a shower cartridge cover is using pliers or brute force, which twists or snaps those soft copper inlet pipes behind the wall. So always go slow and stick to hand tools or gentle heat. Another common issue is not shutting off the main water valve before starting, which leads to surprise leaks and water damage. Always double check that water is off at the source. The third problem is skipping the limescale treatment. Hard water builds up and glues that cap in place, so soaking with vinegar first saves a ton of frustration and prevents breaking parts you cannot see. Never skip this step if your house has old plumbing. BigHomeProjects.com hooks you up with trusted local contractors for repairs big or small, so if you're in over your head, you'll find someone legit who can fix your bathroom fast. If you're a contractor, it's also spot on for connecting with homeowners who need your help, so everyone gets their projects done right.